Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. When you have a small space, you don't want to compromise on style or function. This table fits exactly where I need it to. This is from INO Design. It is a wood top table at 35 inches in diameter. It's perfect for this small office alcove. It still fits 4 chairs around, but it doesn't take up too much space. It was very easy to put together. The instructions were clear. Once I had put it all together, I was really happy to find that it has leveling feet. So no matter what your floor might be like, you don't have to worry about stability with this table. It's very easy to level and it stays stable. So no wibbly wobbly when it comes to your table, which is so upsetting. This is such a great table. It looks fabulous. It is sturdy. You can fit 4 chairs around it, but it doesn't take up too much space. So if you have a small office space like I do, maybe an apartment or just a small kitchen, you don't have to sacrifice on functionality or beauty. This table definitely has it all, and that is my point of view.